Ganesha with the materials we have at home. I'm so happy because I have been waiting to do this Ganesha Idol at home. I made one last year. It came out very well. I loved it. So the materials we need for this project is 1 cup of turmeric, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and a little bit of powdered sugar.
Now we should mix all of this and make it into dough.
First, we have to make the base of the Ganesha in the form of a leaf with this green dough. The next step is to make the Ganesha's legs with these 2 dough balls. Attaching the feet to the Ganesha's legs. Now this is the body of the Ganesha. Now make an oval shape and slowly put it here. Make the Ganesha head like this and slowly put it here. Now we make 2 hands like this and attach it on the Ganesha like this over here. Now let's put the ears. Now let's put the hat. Now let's put this one slowly here. Like that. A plate of laddus for Ganesha to eat.